of every energy therapy is the same. That is, they work on your imbalanced energies and attempt to find the root of the issue, which could be in the present, in the past, or even past life for that matter. But over the years at Heal Clinic, what we have realized as we interact with more therapists and look at the therapies on different clients is that every therapy works in a different way. Each therapy has a certain structure, a certain form, and a pace to it. Similarly, every healer, irrespective of the therapy or the number of therapies that they practice, they bring in their own energy and the way of doing their therapies. So, what we try and do is match the energy of the client, the challenges that they bring forth, their expectations, and the form and structure of therapies and the therapists. If I have to help you make this understand better with an example, let's say someone who comes in who is very logical, who has had no experience with healing before, who would like a more counseling or a coaching approach, we would probably recommend them to radical therapy, as radical works on your subconscious and more with affirmations, statements, and your body and emotion reactions. So that would make more sense in the beginning to a person who is very logical in their thinking. Similarly, let's say if someone has an issue which has to do with a similar kind of a pattern running across their life or across generations or in their family, or there are multiple people who are involved in that issue, then we would probably recommend family constellation, as family constellation works with multiple characters in one session and helps to identify underlying patterns and hidden dynamics that are running and causing those challenges to come. So I think that's something that we do very well at Heal Clinic, is understanding the client, from which space the client is coming from, what are the challenges that they are facing, what are their expectations, and then looking at which therapy or therapist would best match to help them. Because in what happens in such a case, if the match is good, is that half your problem is solved, half the healing is done at that moment itself.